And actually, that leads into the next story, which is that they're going to be launching an electric car business.
Oh.
Because why not? Everybody wants to do the car. Let's do the car. They're doing the car. They're rumored to be doing the car. Cars are tech, man.
They just recently did a TV too, right?
Oh, yeah. They've been doing TVs. And the scooters, the scooters we're zooming around on. They do everything.
They make a lot of stuff.
Do everything.
Yeah.
Do everything. But the car is a big one because it's difficult. And we have heard about major tech players and smartphone makers starting to make serious plans as to how to get into the car market. And it's really interesting. Well, first of all, for them, initially, they're going to get into the Chinese market. They're going to go up against the likes of BYD and NIO. But you never know where that's going to end up, right? I mean, obviously, the intent eventually is to sell as many as possible, so maybe you end up seeing them elsewhere as well. We were talking yesterday about Foxconn launching Foxtron, and then their variety of partnerships with other brands building vehicles on their behalf. The one thing that strikes me is how the traditional automakers just have so many more competitors now that things have been electrified.
Yeah.
It's just...
EV just kind of...
It added like 100 new players all at once.
Yeah.
And all competing for this pretty much the same amount of money, whatever was there before for car purchases.
Mm-hmm.
And so
it's saturated.
There's that much more pressure for the traditional automakers to make great products in the EV space to entice people and compete with these solely electric, although all of them will be electric very soon, so whatever. They're going to invest $10 billion over the next 10 years into EVs. They set up a new subsidiary, and the initial phase of the investment is 10 billion won. Yeah, 1.52 billion USD. Let's not get carried away over here.
Yeah.
Xiaomi hopes to offer quality, smart electric vehicles to let everyone in the world enjoy smart living anytime, anywhere. They want to sell you everything. They want to sell you everything, Will. Everybody wants to sell you everything.
Right.
You got to be inside the ecosystem.
Mm-hmm.
They want you to have the scooter and the phone.
Well, I don't mind the scooters.
And the car. And the microwave and the fridge.
Yeah.
And the assistant.
Mm-hmm.
You just live in their universe.
The Xiaomi underwear.
High tech.
Yeah.
High tech cooling.